Well, you'll never guess what I have today. It's a computer! It's a Compaq Presario 3550, and it has some issues with capacitors. This computer was manufactured in the height of the capacitor plague, so all the ones that are marked here have spoiled in some manner, and I intend to replace them. And that's what I bought these for, these high quality Chinese capacitors, which probably aren't high quality, but hey, they were like 92 cents. First thing we're going to have to do is get this computer out of here. Well, after 5 minutes I realized I forgot a screw and promptly felt like an idiot, but hey, the motherboard's out. Yay. Now we can desolder all the bad capacitors. And have the camera go out of focus, apparently. So this will be my third time desoldering and resoldering stuff. So, I'm not really that good, but we'll see how it goes. If I manage to make a usable computer at the end.
My heart was on fire, but you let me burn. You got me wired, now there's no return. No. You took my heart, you took my soul. Rip me to pieces, ready to go.
And we can see that this one and this one have leaked from the bottom onto the motherboard, because none of these have actually vented from the top like they're supposed to, and two of them have leaked from the bottom, which they're not supposed to. But now I guess it's time to try to solder on the new capacitors. as you can see here, I got all 9 new capacitors soldered. Not very well, but hey, they're on there. And also, you may have noticed me desolder this capacitor after soldering it. That's because not only did I put it on there wrong, but I also burnt it. I don't know how goodly you can see that. But yes. So I guess we'll go get the power supply and we'll see if it blows up. Let's see, plugged in power supply switch off. Probably a good way to start. Put on some safety glasses just in case it should be that violent. Holy Jesus, it's alive. That's the no memory beep, just as it should be. It works! Well, I guess I'll shove it back in the case, hook up a keyboard and a monitor, and we'll see what we get. Put the RAM back in, as you might see. Well, it's all set up down here, so I'll go ahead and flip the switch. And it turns on automatically because no CMOS battery. Turn our attention to this monitor. Alright, look at that. I mean, it totally does not fit on the screen, which is, I guess, par for the course because of the TV. But, hey, look at that. It is attempting to do something. So that's definitely amazing. Now, if you thought I sounded surprised when I turned this thing on and it actually started beeping, that's because I actually was. Highly. Because these are basically the cheapest capacitors money could buy, and I've never really soldered anything before. Well, not anything electronic like that. And it works. I didn't even mess up so badly the first time that I left the capacitor disconnected or something. So that's pretty cool. Upon later inspection, I did realize that this capacitor over here, which is old, is sort of bloated, but hey, it works, so I'm not going to touch it. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any constructive criticism and not just saying, oh wow, you're so bad at soldering, which, yes, I do know that, I would love to hear it. But if you're just going to say I'm bad at soldering, don't bother because I already know it. But evidently I'm good enough to get a computer working. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.